Ciao, I'm Valentina Montanaro and I am the CEO at OMBI alongside my father Mario Montanaro. OMBI was founded in 1946 and is based here in Strambino, Italy. OMBI specializes in the manufacture of chain making machine and the CNC machine for high-end goldsmithing, jewelry and the watchmaking sector. OMBI has worked closely to Renishaw since 2019, but our cooperation goes back even further, 1987. Renishaw expertise and ongoing support have been invaluable to us. They have been helpful in finding the most effective solution for our need. We make machines for some of the biggest luxury jewelry producers in the world, renowned for crafting the most intricate and sought-after pieces. They are using very high-value material for their parts. The tolerance standards required by our customer when machining parts are in 1,000 of a millimeter. Tight tolerances are needed because of the intricate nature of assembling these components. With such tight tolerances, there is no room for error or misalignment during the production process. On 2019, we presented our OM200. This is our ultra-compact 5-axis machine designed for high-speed, precision machining and the assembly of the intricate pieces. You can also perform automatic gen setting on our machine. The OM200 is a very compact machine, so we required a spindle prop could fit it. Renishaw RMP24-micro was the perfect choice for us. Despite its very small size, it's impressively accurate and repeatable. This is exactly what we needed for our OM200. We and our customer use RMP24-micro for part setup. When used together with the Renishaw Inspection Plus software, the part position can be accurately set before machining. They can easily and accurately set part first time and every time. This helps reduce the overall setup time and scraps because it reduces the need for manual adjustment. We also use RMP24-micro and AxiSet to correct the pivot point rotation on our OM200. By using Renishaw RMP24-micro, AxiSet and Inspection Plus with our OM200, our customer can get a machine they can trust to deliver high value and quality in tolerance parts.